Hello, students of Standard 9. Welcome once again in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. We were going very slowly with the chapter of history, chapter 3, Nazism, the rise of Hitler. Why I am so slow? I have explained you, I have told you earlier, because each and every topic of these chapters are very important. I am taking the important topics of this chapter very slowly, one topic a day. I'm trying my best to explain each and every topic very nicely, point wise, and I my wish is that you should also copy down these. After hearing, you try to write by yourself in your own language. Own language means not Hindi, Bengali, but try to write the summary of the topic by yourself so that when you study or when you finish the chapter, you can understand the chapter very nicely. Today, my topic in for this chapter is I have told you in the last video means what role women play in the Nazi Germany. What was the role of women in this Nazi Germany? So we will see that women had a very limited role to play in this Nazi society. Very limited. Women were considered very inferior in the Nazi society. They were considered radically different from men. In a modern days, women are no less in any event than men. But at that time, during the Nazi period, women were radically different from men. They were considered inferior. While boys were taught to be aggressive, I've told you, boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel hearted. They should be steel hearted. They should not fear for anything, even to sacrifice their life. Girls were told that they had to become a good citizen. Good citizen in the form of good mother. There should be a good mother. There should be a good mother. And rear means to give birth pure blooded Aryan children. A girl's duty was to maintain the purity of the race, maintain distance from the Jews, and teach their children Nazi values. They were to be bearers of Aryan culture and race. They should teach their work is to teach their children that they should hate Jews, they should be steel hearted, masculine, and they should maintain the purity of the Aryan race. That is their duty only, and do all household work. All women are not treated equally, All women were not treated equally. Women who bore racially undesirable children were punished. Means suppose a woman gave birth to undesirable children, which is not required. Suppose physically handicapped children, some has given birth, or some has given birth to children, and those children has mixed with Jews. They were playing with Jews. The children will not be punished. Mothers will be punished. Understood? Next, such women were given favored treatment. It means those who bear good, pure-blooded Aryan children, they were given many types of prizes. They were favored treatment in hospitals and also entitled to concession in shops and on theatre tickets, railway fares. Those who bear good and pure-blooded Aryans, those whose children maintain the purity of the race, they were given many type of concession in the theatre, railway ticket, in hospitals, everything. And to encourage women to produce more and more children, many children, honor crosses were given, gold medals, silver medals, bronze medals were given. A bronze cross was given for 4 children. Those who can give birth to 4 children, bronze medal were given. Bronze cross. Silver for 6 children. And 8 and more children, if any women can give birth, they will be given gold cross. All Aryan women who deviated from the prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and solemnly punished. Understood? Those who do not maintain the rules, regulations provided for them by the Nazi society, by the Nazism, or by Hitler, that to see their children should not mix with the Jews, they should be very masculine, aggressive, they should maintain the race. If the children do not do that, the mothers were publicly condemned. In front of the public, they've been punished. Suppose any children or any women had a contact with the Jews, they were punished. How they were punished? They were paraded through the town. Through the town, they were paraded. Paraded means they have been taken through the town, where with shaved heads, their heads were shaved, blood head, and blackened face, the face became black. They made their faces black, and even the many women were jailed, given prison, put in the prison, and lost civic honor. They were not allowed to come out, even to see their children, even husband, anything. So these are the way the Nazi and the Hitler used to treat their women's in their society. Women's were considered very inferior. No facilities were given them. Only their work is to bear good and means well-blooded children, to give birth to children and do household work with their work in the house in the Nazi Germany. This is the work of women. Thank you.